Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Howdy! You want more information about how to back up iTunes before a reinstall? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to back up iTunes before a reinstall is ask.brothersoft.com. Specifically the page titled How to Back Up iTunes Before a Reinstall, iTunes Q&A. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.ilounge.com, especially the page backing up iTunes before a reformat iLounge article. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site answers.yahoo.com. The web page How Do I Back Up iTunes Before Reinstalling XP? Here's the link.